Good morning, friends. My name is Hariram Rai. I did my masters from Bangalore and worked in various software company. When I came to Bihar, I started to working as an assistant professor in CIPT Koilwar. I am giving little bit introduction about my department. My department consists of good facility and good faculties. Our faculty have a good experience at his hand. Mr. Ravikant, who have about 10 years of experience and he did his MTech in computer science and after that spreading his knowledge among CIPT Koilwar students. Mr. Pintu Kumar, who is working as HOD and he is also spreading his knowledge among the students. Mr. Anand Kishore have a good knowledge on softwares and he is also spreading his knowledge on a student in live projects. Myself, I have about 8 years of total industrial and teaching experience. I taught in various institutions like Ducat, Aptron, SETPA Infotech and Appin Technology Lab. Friends, I want to draw your attention towards the gap between college education and industrial requirement. Whatever the material we are studying in college, is it fulfilling our industrial requirement? Then my answer will be no. Why? Whatever we are studying today is not enough for tomorrow industry because these all are basic things. Whatever we are studying in college, these all are basic things. After using these basic things, we have to develop or we have to create something engine or something extra which a people can use, which a people can be used in his daily life to make his life easy. Because whatever we are studying is the basic concept of engineering. Along with our education, we should also focus on live projects which help in growth of knowledge of students. While working on live projects, we have got different numbers of errors, like thousands of error, hundreds of error, and we learn the 100 way to tackle that problem. As you know, my college CIPT is providing a placement assistant training program for its final year student, which help our student to prepare for tomorrow industry. We also provide live application development training program for our students. So our students early know that how to face interview, how to give interview in any industry. We also provide like application development program using .NET, PHP, Advanced Java and Python, Node and Angular JS also. Nowadays, more applications are running on either .NET, Java, Python, Node or Angular JS. Nowadays, we are also using a Android and iOS application development program. Students, you have to make yourself different from other because interviewer always will ask you that what you have different from others. Then you have to throw something which you have did along with your education in college period. You have to show something which you have did in your academic period. Whatever the life project you have did in your college or in your academic period, you have to show that things. Friends, you all have to work hard to fulfill your dreams. Do and do to get your dreams. So start from today onwards and focus on latest technology. Our CIPT faculties always focus on latest technology and trends. We believe in spreading a better knowledge which build a better students or better peoples for industry. I am giving basic example of C, how we can study C and how you are studying C. You are studying C just like studying and doing exercise and doing one or two program and it's enough. No. Each and every day you have to do 5 program from yourself. Apart from your study, you have to do 5 program from yourself. If you will solve 5 program from yourself and if you are studying C for 3 months, then you have about 900 programs from yourself and you can see the different number of error, different number of bug, the different way to write the code. So these are the basic things that, and at last you have to do one basic project like education management system, college management system, library management system using C language. Then you will learn how to model, how to couple the modules, how to couple the two or three modules in software development. You can see how to accumulate the things, how can gather the things to make a software. Thank you so much.